Hello, and welcome. Have you ever wondered how you can bend reality, shift your experiences, and influence the events in your life? Imagine if you could tap into the hidden energy around you and use it to shape your reality, creating quantum events that seem almost too powerful to be real. Well, the truth is, you can. Let me show you how. It all starts with understanding the nature of your energy. We are all made of energy, vibrating at certain frequencies. But what you may not realize is that you have the power to shift that frequency and, in doing so, change the reality around you. The world you see is not fixed. It is fluid, and it responds to your inner state of being. The first step in manipulating your energy to create quantum events is to recognize that everything is interconnected. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs send out signals into the universe, and these signals draw experiences, people, and situations that match your energy. This is not just spiritual theory, it is a law of nature. Your inner world shapes your outer world. If you want to change your reality, you must begin by changing your energy. Start by becoming conscious of your thoughts. You see, most people live on autopilot, reacting to their environment rather than consciously creating it. This is a huge mistake. Your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are energetic forces that carry immense power. The key is to control your thoughts, to direct them with purpose, and to focus on what you desire, not what you fear or dislike. This act of focused thought is like tuning a radio station to the frequency of the reality you wish to experience. But it's not just about thoughts alone. Your emotions play a significant role in the energy you emit. Emotions are vibrations that resonate with the world around you. When you feel joy, gratitude, or love, you are emitting high-frequency energy that attracts similar high-frequency events into your life. On the other hand, when you experience fear, anger, or sadness, you lower your vibration, and this can attract circumstances that reflect these lower frequencies. To manipulate your energy, you must begin by aligning your thoughts with your feelings. This alignment creates a coherent field of energy, one that the universe can easily respond to. Think about what you desire, but feel it in your body as if it is already happening. The secret is to live in the state of being that you want to experience, not in the future, not in the past, but in the present moment. This is where the magic happens. You can take it even further by using the power of imagination. Imagination is not just daydreaming, it is a tool for manifesting your desires. When you imagine something vividly and emotionally, you are impressing it onto your subconscious mind. The subconscious doesn't distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. By imagining your desires as if they are already true, you create a mental blueprint that your energy will begin to match. Your subconscious then begins to move in the direction of your imagined reality. But here's the key: belief. Without belief, all the imagination in the world won't do you any good. You must believe that what you're imagining is possible, and not just possible, but inevitable. This belief strengthens the energy you are sending out into the universe, creating a stronger pull toward your desires. If you doubt, your energy weakens, and your manifestations struggle to materialize. Let's take this a step deeper. Quantum physics has revealed something fascinating about the nature of reality. Particles behave differently depending on whether or not they are being observed. In a sense, the observer is influencing the outcome of the situation. This isn't just a theory, this is a fact. When you observe something with a particular focus and intention, you collapse the wave of possibility into a single reality. The same principle applies to your life. By observing your desires with focus, confidence, and expectation, you collapse all the infinite possibilities into the one you want. This is where the term quantum events comes into play. These are not ordinary events, they are moments where reality seems to shift and bend around you. These moments are possible when you align your energy, thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. They are the result of your intention interacting with the infinite potential of the universe. The more you practice this, the more frequent these quantum events become. You will start to notice small miracles, synchronicities, and moments where things seem to line up perfectly. But don't stop there, each event is a signal that you are on the right track. The more you harness this energy, the more powerful these events will become. Now, let's talk about how to accelerate this process. The key to fast manifestation is trust. Trust that the universe is responding to you, and trust that everything you desire is already on its way. When you trust, you release resistance, and energy flows freely. It is the resistance, doubt, fear, impatience, that blocks the flow of energy and slows the manifestation process. By trusting the process, you allow the universe to bring you the events, people, and circumstances that align with your energy. In this process, patience is crucial, but so is the ability to recognize the signs. Sometimes, the universe won't bring you exactly what you expect, but it will bring you something that is even better. You must be open to receiving in unexpected ways. Your energy should be receptive, yet unwavering in its focus on the desired outcome. You see, energy is both giving and receiving. It's about being clear on your desires and yet open to the unexpected paths the universe may take to deliver them. Another powerful tool in manipulating your energy is the use of affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself in order to align your subconscious mind with your desires. The more you affirm something, the more it becomes ingrained in your belief system, and the more your energy reflects that belief. Make your affirmations vivid and emotional, and repeat them daily, even multiple times a day. When you speak these words, speak them as though they are already true, and feel the emotions associated with them. This will reinforce the energy of your desire and help to manifest it more quickly. You can also create rituals to keep your energy focused on what you want to manifest. These rituals can be anything from visualization exercises to meditation or even simple acts of gratitude. The important thing is that you make them a regular practice. By dedicating time each day to focus your energy, you begin to see results. Consistency is key. Just as you would train a muscle to grow stronger through consistent exercise, you train your energy to become a powerful force that manifests the reality you want. Another important factor is the environment you surround yourself with. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your energy. If you are constantly surrounded by negativity, doubt, or fear, it will be harder to maintain a high vibration. Create a space that supports your energy, whether that means decluttering your physical space or limiting your exposure to negative influences. Fill your environment with things that uplift you, things that remind you of your desires, and things that keep your energy aligned with your highest vision. You may encounter challenges along the way, and that's normal. But these challenges are not obstacles, they are opportunities to grow. Every challenge is a test of your ability to maintain your energy, to stay focused, and to trust in the process. Keep your energy aligned, and you will see that the universe responds in kind. Reality is not something that happens to you, it is something you create. The most important thing to recall in this process is that you are the creator of your own reality. You are the one who determines the frequency of your energy, and thus, the events that unfold in your life. Once you truly understand this, you begin to see how limitless you really are. You are not bound by external circumstances, you are the architect of your own existence. So, how do you start? Begin by shifting your energy. Shift your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs. Align them with the reality you want to create, and hold that vision with unwavering faith. Know that you are a powerful being capable of shaping your destiny. And as you continue on this path, watch as the quantum events begin to unfold before you, miracles, synchronicities, and opportunities that will leave you in awe. You have all the tools you need within you. The energy you seek to manipulate is already there, waiting for you to tap into it. The more you focus on your desires, the more you will see the universe respond in kind. Trust the process, believe in your power, and step into the reality that you have always wanted.